Here's the question. What industry should I choose for my LinkedIn profile? There's primarily two different directions that you could go. Once you choose the direction you want to go, there are hundreds of different choices, and you need to find the choice that is the most relevant to the direction that you made a decision to go. So first of all, where is industries? Well, industries right here is I'm looking at my LinkedIn profile, I click on this pencil and I edit the intro card or the top card. If I scroll down, there's my industry right there. And by the way, it is a required field. Now, you could go through the industry options and learn there, or you could simply go to this URL right here. So here are all the industry codes that LinkedIn has put together, or actually Microsoft has published for use on LinkedIn. And someone said it's somewhere in the neighborhood of 800 different codes here under the active nodes, ignoring the inactive nodes. Now, you have two choices. Well, as you're perusing this list, you have two choices you can make. Number one is you could choose an industry code that aligns with the company that you work for. Education would be a school, hospitals, nursing homes, et cetera, mining, whether if you're in real estate, et cetera, you could choose that a code that aligns with the company you work for. Or you could choose a code that more aligns with the work that you do. Example, under administration, if you're an HR person working for a mining company, you might choose an HR code. If you're in finance, you might choose a financial finance code that more aligns with the financial work you do, even though you might be in a transportation industry. Choose a code, an industry code that aligns with either the company you work for or the work you do. Now, which is the right choice? Well, if you want to be found and aligned with the company you work for, then I would recommend you use a code, an industry code that aligns with the company you work for. If you're not interested in showing up and relevant to the company you work for, then maybe you will look for an industry code that more aligns with the work you do. You got to weigh that out and make a decision that works best for you. Now, there's nothing wrong with making a decision to choose a code that aligns with the work you do, because you want to be found for that in the context of maybe career transition. And then at some point making a decision that you now want to change your industry code and be more aligned with the company. That's okay. You can make those decisions and make those changes. But once you decide how you want to be discovered from an industry perspective, then you can start perusing this list and you can look for an industry code that, again, that you would want to use on your LinkedIn profile. Again, under the intro card, under industry. There's lots of choices here. Starts with aligning with the company or aligning with the work you do, and then choose the appropriate industry code. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope these ideas are helpful for you.